Hello, my name is HK Math. At least that's what I call myself when I'm having fun with mathematics. I'd like to share with you a short tutorial on how to add fractions with unlike denominators. So let's recall a couple of quick facts. Here's a fraction, 1/8. And that tells me that the whole one, and here's a picture of one whole rectangle, is being divided into 8 equal parts. And if we were to count these, we would see 8 equal parts. And we are looking solely at one of those 8. One of 8 equal parts is being added to the same size whole with one of 2 equal parts. So the 8 and the 2 are the denominators. And we are asking, how do we name the answer that we get when we combine 1/8 with 1/2? We call that adding fractions. We're going to do this right now using an applet called the adding fraction applet. This applet is part of a library of virtual manipulatives that have been developed at Utah State University. I'd like you to take a look at the website that I am using, NLVM, National Library of Virtual Manipulatives, USU, Utah State University, .edu, educational institution. So you will be able to go to this site and use a variety of virtual manipulatives and applets to demonstrate or model some of the problems that we find difficult to do in mathematics. Fractions can often be challenging. So you can go to the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives and use this applet to help you visualize the combining or adding of fractions of different denominators. Let's look at this problem. 1/8 is being added to 1/2. Now, if we were adding 8s with 8s, that wouldn't be hard. 4ths with 4ths, 3rd with 3rds. But when we're adding unlike denominators, we have to find a common denominator that renames the pieces. Now, in this particular case, that denominator is 8. I'm typing in 8, and I know that because 8 divides into 8 evenly with no remainder, and 2 also divides into 8 evenly with no remainder. 1/8 is the same as 1/8. So I don't have to do any renaming here. But if I look at this blue portion, it represents 4/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And note that 4 is half of 8. So let's check. We're saying that 1/8 added to 1/2 is the same as 1/8 added to 4/8. Now, what is our answer? We're told to drag the colored regions over into the new area, which has been divided into eighths, and we're going to slide that 1 over, and we're going to slide the 4 over, and we're going to see how much space it takes up. And it takes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 8 equal parts. If we add the numerators, we get that answer, 5/8. Now let's check. Good work, it says. Click the new problem for a new addition problem. This particular problem was considered easy. When we hit the next problem, this one is also easy, but I want to make it harder. You can click the difficulty. So that would make it harder. We're adding fourths with sevenths. Wow. And let's see what the hardest would be. 2 sevenths being added to 1/2. I am hoping that the use of this applet has helped you visualize fractions a little bit more. You are invited to go to nlvm.usu.edu and see if you can practice a bit with these applets. I hope that this has been helpful to you. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you next time. Bye now.